Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the 2 hours chart here, we are looking at the gold in a corrective wave ABC, potentially finishing wave A or wave W, and having of course a potential wave B. And currently we were working of course to finish this corrective wave as an A, a B, and a C toward the upside. Don't forget that taking this price 3,330 is an invalidation of this impulse in case we are in 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 should not, of course, interfere with the zone 1. Yesterday we saw a drop, but it didn't touch it yet. If it might touch it right now, that means, of course, you might have finished in a wave Y, which is a W, X, and a Y corrective. Finished your wave B already there, and after a big 3 waves toward the downside, of course, corrective, you got a 3 waves up and finishing wave B and moving towards a wave C for lower prices around the 3,100 for a wave C. And this, of course, might unfold the bearish scenario, meaning did we finish already there? Of course not. I think that the gold is still looking even for a lower. Meaning if you finish here 3 waves down, you might get another 3 waves up and then even lower later on to reach the 2,500, which is of course the target for this bear market right now, or corrective waves that we might get on the all-time history. By all means, on the all-time history, meaning of course you are looking for at least this blue box, where you have finished here a wave 1 in the orange, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and 5, of course, to finish an impulse without interfering the wave 4 with the zone 1. And this will unfold, of course, a potential 1, 2, and then big wave 3 as an impulse. And that means, of course, you're looking for a wave 4 later on, and then a big wave 5 toward the upside, a continuation simply for higher. And of course, until we reach this, guys, a correction is a very necessarily to have, okay? And that because you have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse here, and inside this wave 5, you finished also a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Also inside this wave 5 here, you have finished an impulse which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And currently you are looking for a correction that it might of course bring us towards the downside. It might be of course this 3 waves that we are looking at, 3 waves up again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to reach of course this 0.23 2,580 is preferable, and then moving simply toward the upside, of course, for a leading diagonal or for an impulse, meaning you are in a leading diagonal, potentially 1, 2, and then 3. Of course, both are zigzags, as you can see. And you would like to have another correction, same as we had for the wave 2. You would like to have one of them for the wave 4. But be careful, with this scenario, you might get a very deep wave 4, which is around the 1,800, which is the minimum target taken from the whole wave here. And this is the difference, that this scenario, the target of it is taken from the whole wave 3, while of course the other scenario, which is only one impulse toward the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, this wave 4 is taken only from this wave which is impulsive, and you would like to see the retracement of it and of course hitting a wave 5 after it. Therefore, priority goes of course for the 2,585. Common target is 0.23, hitting it and moving toward the upside again, of course, for higher prices. So basically on the 2 hours chart, we would like to see again this correction finishing around the 2,585, which it might of course finish in 3 ways down, 3 ways up right now, and then moving toward the downside, unless of course we still have one more leg. So be careful, we didn't took the invalidation yet, and that means you're still in a potential finishing a wave C here. This is a bullish for today, guys. If we are still bullish, we want to finish this wave 5, of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to finish a wave C, a wave B. That would be nicer. Honestly, that would be nicer than of course having a wave Y here as W, X, and a Y. I prefer to have an impulse, very nice wave 5, wave C, wave B, and then of course start the move towards the downside. And probably this goes for this one. It might be, guys, unless, watch the key level, taking of course the 3,330 is a very essential key level between bullish and bearish. Alright guys, so that was it for the gold for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.